Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Gerold in Austria on this Ranger RCI-2995DX CF. Gerold got you ready to go, bud. Built to your custom specifications. We're going to go ahead and show you what we got here. FM mode, RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Per your request, it keys basically nothing. 50 all the way up per your request. I know you said you didn't care much about AM, but there it is, 50 all the way up, nothing all the way down. And pegs a 100 watt scale. Let's go over here to sideband, all the way down. About 34 PEP. Roll it all the way up. Exactly 100 watts per your request. Alright, Gerold, we're going to get this across the big waters. I appreciate your patience very much, sir. And if there's anything else I can do for you, feel free to let me know. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.